A bionic hand, remote-controlled race car, electric Porsche. All of the work of fourth-year engineering students at the University of Windsor. It's what's called the Capstone project. We think you'll find this interesting. Take a look.
This is a bionic hand. We started about 8 months ago just researching, but in the past 3 months we've really started building and putting it all together. We're really happy with what we've achieved, but there's obviously a lot of room for improvement. There's just different types of gestures we'd like to be able to distinguish, maybe put more sensors to detect how hard you're gripping something, and just refine everything.
That's what Capstone's all about. They take their book smarts, everything they've learned in their engineering degree here, and produce something that's tangible. They all have to do that to graduate.
Imagine that this secondary coil right here is placed in the ground, right? Like this. And imagine that this coil is placed in your car, right? And imagine that your car drives in and just aligns on top. And automatically, when it's aligned, it wakes up and starts charging your battery pack.
We do have competitions. One of our projects this year was a robotic racing project. They built a robot to navigate through some cones, stop signs, pedestrian stoplights, and they went off to British Columbia, which was British Columbia, a lot of top Canadian universities there, and they came home with second prize.
The last 4 months for all of us have been the most enjoyable because, like, after all the equations, all the physics, all the books and the assignments, you get to put that aside for a second and then just apply the intuitions that you gain from those things to designing a real practical system. So it's awesome.